Just like in the German Second World War, all on both sides, the Allies and the Germans, they're all praying to God, all the wives, let my husband come back safe. But after the war, there was a crisis of faith with the Germans because they said, well, our husbands didn't come back. They never thought that my husband, or the Hitler called the war, he was the one that attacked the first, or he was the one that started the whole war, and that they were aggressors or this or that, and they didn't come back. At the start of the war, no one was asking God, is this going to be pleasing? They just went out, but then they told all the people, pray that your people come back. When they didn't come back, then they thought, well, God didn't answer our prayer. Whose prayer is He supposed to answer? So on these levels, God doesn't actually personally get involved. He has a law of karma that according to a person's activities, they have a certain fortune. And He just more or less sanctions it. He can stop it, and He's not obliged to give one those reactions, but He allows it to go on like that, and except for some exceptions, He may withhold or may give under some, but generally He just allows it. He doesn't get involved in all these petty things. But if someone requests some special help, all right, so then He reciprocates. If you ask Him to help, all right, He'll help. But that means if you don't practice your football, or if there's a better team, and then just because you pray, on that type of thing, God's going to help.